So in this video, I'm going to show you how when you recall a specific preset, you can have that preset automatically load a specific page. And I'll show you why that's extremely helpful for me in my workflow. Typically, I program song-specific presets. For example, Holy Forever, I have interlude in the pre-chorus, the rhythm pre-chorus, the lead, chorus one part, and you can see all these settings change. The presets on the Mobius change, the timeline change, the Big Sky change for each of these song sections. But I've gotten into wanting to explore a little bit more freedom and design a preset that can generally fit the song and then be a little bit more flexible on my pedal board. And how I've organized my pages on my PBC6X is that if I wanted to, I could go to this loop section and turn on the daily driver, the Benson preamp, although now it's the fake plastic trees, and each of my drives individually. I have a separate video showing you how to set up a group where I can, this is just the daily driver, this is just the Benson, this is just the Aspen. So watch that other video for that. But that's been really helpful. But what I have to do is if I'm in this preset mode, I have to kind of click it twice. I have to click this button right here, which takes me to my loop page, and then I have to toggle on and off the loops. But I recently found out a way to make that change happen automatically. So if you go over to this preset with me, we're doing a mashup with Holy Forever and Nobody for Easter this year. And so I just made this one preset, Nobody, but what I wanted to do is when I hit this preset on my PBC6X, it automatically takes me to the loops page. And all I did was I went down here and into my preset actions, I set a action type system. So basically if you're to start from scratch, so say new action, action type is system, subtype page, and it's already right there. And then basically you can set this to whatever you want. Up, down, previous, you could type in a specific page. I wanted page number 2, so I've already done that there. So I'm going to remove that. I'm going to send that to my PBC6X. Now, when I click this preset right here, which is the Nobody preset, it automatically takes me to my loops page, which brings up my overdrives. So basically, as soon as I hit that, all I have to do if I wanted to work through my gain stages is just hit these, and I'm there. If I wanted to go back to my presets page, the way I have it set up is I hit this button right here, and now I'm back to my presets page. So all of these are just normal presets. They don't pull up that second page, but when I hit this particular preset, it brings up that loop page. And that's just super helpful for me. I've been, like I said, designing more and more presets lately that I call bass, and what that means is it kind of loads up a default set of delay and reverb presets that I can then, if I wanted to, you can't see it fully, but if I wanted to bank to a different reverb, I could right there, or a different delay, I could right there. And the way I organize my reverbs and delays, it's kind of in sections. So if I have cloud 1 on the left side, and then it's cloud 2 on the right side of my Big Sky MX, and if I was dialing in things for my LVX, I have 1, 2, and 3, and so I could say dotted eighth delay 1, 2, and 3, which would increase in level and mix and all that. But however you use that, it's up to you. Just wanted to show you how to activate a particular page on a specific preset. Hope that was helpful.